In this quick video I'm gonna show you how to replace Windows switch on 2014 ML350. Only reason I'm replacing it because of the buttons. I know I've seen some videos where people were able to replace just the buttons. I'm not sure if it's doable here, but I found in Junkyard this one, not perfect, but a lot better than this one. I think I paid about $25 for it, but in this video I'm gonna replace this. And all we're gonna need is a plastic pry tool. Now I'll just pry right here. So it's out. Now I'll just unplug it. Here's the replacement. Plug it in. I confirmed it's working. Just checked every single option works and just push it back in. And that's it. Again, it's not perfect. Unfortunately, there is one thing right here, but if you compare, looks a lot better than this one. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.